I'm JB Baker, VP of Marketing at ScaleFlux, here to introduce the NSD 3000, which is an NVMe SSD for enterprise, data center, and edge deployments. The NSD 3000 series gives you twice the performance and twice the endurance for your NVMe SSD purchase. It'll be offered in U.2, U3, add-in card, E1S, and E1L form factors, and capacities up to 64 terabytes. So to understand what makes the NSD 3000 special, we have to take a look at the typical offerings in the marketplace. So usually you've got to choose between a performance SKU and a capacity SKU for a similar price point. So if we take that performance SKU as the baseline, moving to the capacity SKU is going to help you lower your cost per gigabyte, which is fantastic, and increase your storage density, which is also great. But it's going to come with a significant penalty to both your performance and endurance. It can reduce performance by as much as 50%, in some cases more, and your endurance by 60% or more. So you've got to make that trade-off ordinarily. With the NSD 3000, you get the storage costs and the density of the capacity SKUs with the high IOPS, consistently low latency, and higher endurance of the performance SKUs. So you may wonder how we can actually accomplish this. Well, with the built-in transparent compression decompression engine that we have in the processor, we're able to take advantage of just a tiny bit of compressibility in the data to achieve this 2x performance and over 2x endurance of ordinary capacity SKUs. Now that 2x performance and 2x endurance, that's really the minimum you're going to achieve with this drive. We typically see that the data in enterprise applications is more compressible, allowing us to achieve up to 4 times the performance and 9 times the endurance of typical capacity SKUs. Now, to make this really easy to use, the NSD 3000 is an NVMe drive using the in-box NVMe drivers. That means there's no application integration, no modifications to your operating system. You just plug and play and you get all the benefits of this drive. Both the NSD 3000 and the CSD 3000 are based on the same controller, the ScaleFlux 3000 series processor. That means they both have that built-in transparent compression and decompression engine. The NSD, however, does not include the capacity multiplier or the programmable functions that we have in the CSD. Those are exclusive features of the CSD 3000 series. So when would you use the NSD instead of the CSD? Well, when you don't need the programmability or you don't need the extended capacity of the CSD, go to the NSD. When you're not quite sure how to leverage the programmability of the CSD, you can go to the NSD. Or when you just simply need a better NVMe SSD, choose the NSD 3000, get twice the endurance and twice the performance for the same cost.